Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Today I'm looking at a water system for a recreational cottage. It's a 1/2 horsepower jet drive, shallow jet drive pump sitting on a 7-gallon pressure tank. The 7-gallon pressure tank means that the jet drive has to come on and go off quite often to keep the pressure up. What I decided to do was to upgrade to this 26.4-gallon pressure tank. I poured a concrete base, embedded a little bit of wood, did a little bit of plumbing here to tie it all together. Now the system is much more efficient. The pump hardly comes on, the pressure is great. And for any of you Canadians that have gone to Princess Auto, Princess Auto actually had this tank on surplus for $119.99. Anybody that knows Home Depot, the same tank is $576. So big savings there. For all of you guys from the US, Princess Auto is very much like Harbor Freight. If you look long enough or hard enough, you'll find a good deal. So highly suggest you improving your system up to a 26.4-gallon tank. Very efficient. If you like this video, press subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time.